So I decided that the wooden beams are not going to be structurally strong enough, straight enough over time. There's a principle called racking in architecture and building things with wood. And to prevent that, I've decided to add an L-shaped piece of metal. I'm going to have to screw that in on all sides or on one side of all four pieces of wood. So just wanted to get this documented, a little bit of this type of work. And here we go. This is just a Harbor Freight drill press, nothing fancy, but it'll get the job done. You just have to be patient and apply a little bit of pressure as you go, and a little bit. You see the smoke? Pull that down a little, because the blade will get stuck. Not a big deal. Come out of it. Start again. That means I'm almost through it, and usually gets a little bit this way at the end. Not a big deal. Yeah, I can see a little hole at the end. Yeah, that one went through. And it's probably doing that actually because this end's a little torqued down. So let's take that one off and keep it clamped down here so it doesn't spin back to me. But I think that was what it did. And that's all the way through, on to the next hole. So we learned something together. I have actually not done this process in a while using metal. I've been mostly just woodworking. So using metal again is fun aspect to bring to it. Put that back down. I do take some precautions, y'all, in case you think I don't. There you go. And that's it. And like I said, just a good old Harbor Freight. And I think it'll do better now. That it was a little up. That's WD-40, obviously. And if you don't know the rules, the rule is if it's moving and it shouldn't, you use duct tape. And if it needs to move and it's not, you use WD-40. Oh, ruh-roh. Alright, see? Not a big deal. Easier if I had the free hand, but that's the way it goes. Come on, baby. It's always that way on the last one. Still want to be careful here. Don't get frustrated or anything. I don't care. Live TV, what I care about is my arm working. There we go. Yep, I got it. Okay. So a little patience, and I'll mark and do the other side, one side at a time. And I have 4 of these to do. So fun for Roman. Okay, all right. I can kill an hour. It's my day off. So thank you guys for the encouragement. And yes, this pyramid will be done soon. I know, but I'm actually having to make all the parts and pieces myself. So that makes it a little bit more involved. And I do apologize that sometimes things aren't as organized as they could be, because I've been realizing, oh, I need this and oh, I need that. Oh, and I didn't know I needed to do all these other things. That's what happens with big projects. So thank you, appreciate you. It'll get done, I think, in honestly about 2 weeks. I'm out of town this weekend. Everything can harden and cure, the concrete, the poly, all that stuff. So all that, and then next weekend, and then I'm gonna need some help. So I'm trying to figure out who can help me, because I need multiple hands going to hold some of this stuff up. So to the I'll holla.